Oh, babe, why you look so serious?
Huh? No lah, you know that time me and Ahao get our keys for our BTO? And then now we're finding contractors, you see? Now I Google, but wow, it's super stressed, you see?
Wow, find contractor need so stress or not?
Yeah lah, you know I heard a lot of horror stories from my friend. Then got this one friend 他没有做 research， 你看他 send 给我的。他看到这个 Facebook ad selling very cheap package The package only 18888 886 everything. That's what they say lah. End up leh.
Yeah, what happened? That sounds like a good thing
They discussed already. The countertop say want to do quartz. Carpentry work do for the room. And then the toilet must be fit for king. Contractor say okay, but then must pay 50% deposit first. So he sound very persuasive. They pay 9K straight lor. Then the remaining payment pay within a month. But this whole work take 9 months to complete.
Huh? What is it?
Because they have a lot of problems lah. Tell them want to use quartz, they use some cheap plastic. Tell them the toilet want to paint turquoise, they go and paint teal colour leh. Yeah lor, say start work at 2 PM, they come at 4 PM. Money pay already like that. You tell me how don't stress.
Actually my 老 aunt got say before like you go renovation you must 注意一些东西one
What thing?
He say you must do something called the progressive payment.
Wow, what's that? Never hear before leh.
That means you pay milestone by milestone. He say like for example you go and pay for masonry first, then they finish already, then you pay for carpentry. Like don't one shot do everything leh. You must wait until they finish everything, 水报告了 then you pay. Then right, as part of the contract, he said we should also retain a portion of the payment, like for example 5 to 10%. So that anything don't need rectify then everything 水 then you pay.
Wow, thank you for telling me leh. If not, I damn lost leh.
Okay, so if let's say your house got a lot of defects, right? You think they 做个 very ugly you can take picture one by one of the defects as document, so that you can settle one by one.
What?
Wow. Okay, continue.
Hey, 现在有 glasses one.
Hey, you don't see me no up You see my notebook so thick, I got study one
To make life easier, you should also write down all that is promised verbally.
Okay.
Like for example, your details your schedule your completion date Wow, all this must write down Like if not later they puasan they disagree, then say you never say this, then you never say that, then you 逃掉So cannot anyhow so you must write in black and white. Dun. He also got tell me got this case trust. Yeah, you see this blue logo one?
Oh.
Yeah, this blue logo one You say must find this case trust accredited companies. Okay, so they got this logo that means they got good sales practice and standards. That means cannot anyhow send one, cannot charge you anyhow one arm one leg then next day no sound no picture Yeah.
Okay.
These case trust accredited businesses are actually required to purchase a customer's deposit performance bond to protect the customer's deposit. So if one day touch wood the company close down right, your deposit will be safe.
哇，你是谁呀？Joseph在哪里？
What?
还有这个东西叫 Standard Case Renovation Contract That means this contract inside has a list of what should be accomplished to ensure accountability. Yeah, so like that we not scared that we will miss out anything, and we can also prevent disputes about completion and delayed payment. Anyway, you can always go to Case to seek advice on your next step. If you really cannot settle, you can always go for mediation for mutually satisfactory agreement with your contractors. Case can arrange if you need it.
Wow, I feel very enlightened today Every day we learn something new. All thanks to you babe. You're my best friend.